अस्सलामुअलैकुम वरहमतुल्लाहि वबरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज एक डिफरेंट टाइप का एक चिकन का डिश बनाने जा रहे हैं, लाल मसाला चिकन। तो इसके लिए आई हैव टेकन हाफ के जी चिकन। इसको मैरिनेट करते हैं। तो फॉर मैरिनेशन देयर आर अ फ्यू इंग्रेडिएंट्स। I have taken 1 teaspoon tandoori masala powder, half teaspoon chaat masala powder, 1 teaspoon each of ginger garlic paste, half a teaspoon of pepper powder, 1 teaspoon Zeera powder, 1 teaspoon garam masala powder, half teaspoon coriander powder, half teaspoon salt, half teaspoon chilli powder, quarter teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon kasoori methi. Now add the above spice powders to the chicken. Also add 1 teaspoon green chilli sauce, 1 teaspoon red chilli sauce and 1 teaspoon light soya sauce. Also half a teaspoon of vinegar. Add a few drops of orange red color. This is completely optional. This is just for look. Mix. And add a small bowl of curd. Mix well once more and marinate overnight or for at least 2 hours. Now let's get the masala ready. Let's make the masala. Heat a kadai. To this add quarter cup of oil. When the oil becomes hot, let's add the khada masalas. That is, I've added 2 dry red chilies, 1 small piece of cinnamon, 2 to 3 cloves, a few peppercorns and 1 cardamom. Saute for a few seconds on low flame. Now add 1 onion finely sliced. Saute till light brown. In between, add a few curry leaves and continue sauteing. Once the onions are done, add half a teaspoon each of ginger and garlic paste. Sprinkle water if you find the masala sticking to the bottom of the pan. Once the raw smell of the ginger garlic paste goes, add 2 ground tomatoes and saute till the oil leaves the sides. Add half a teaspoon chilli powder. We have added half teaspoon in the marination as well. So here I'm adding only half a teaspoon of chili powder. Mix. Now add the marinated chicken along with the masala and saute. Once the raw smell goes, add half a capsicum sliced. Mix and then add the marination. Add 1 glass of water. You can rinse out the marination bowl with a glass of water. Add that. Cover and cook till the chicken is completely done. It takes around 15 minutes. Keep the flame on medium. After 15 minutes, add the paste of 10 to 12 cashews. Mix well. Garnish with kasoori methi. Cover and let it rest till it's time to serve. Lal Masala Chicken is now ready. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. Thank you for watching.